you lady and gentlemen's viewing pleasure today. I'm in the process of building me an e-bike, and there's the front wheel. It's going to have a powered back wheel too. Try to do this as cheap as I can to get more bang for my buck. Harvesting cells over here from laptop batteries to get this job done as cheap as possible. And I'm going to need some of the tubing, because what I want to do with the bike, and like I said, I'm going to go back to the dump. I rescued this from the dump just so we can operate on it, dissect it, and get the parts we need. On the original bike, which I wanted to be a mountain bike type bike, I'm going to want to make somewhat of a cage right here to hold the batteries, so if I fall or whatever, or the bike falls over, the batteries doesn't get hurt, and I want to protect the controllers. So some of these pieces like this, what have you, the other thing, I'm going to harvest some tubing and what have you off of this. I don't need none of this or any of this, but I might need some of these bends and what have you. This is the tools we'll be using for the operation today. Pretty basic stuff. So let's get on with it. Alright, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, we just dissected the bike for a few of the parts we're going to need for the next build, which will be that right there. And I want one to go back and forth to work, and I just don't want to pay full price. And I don't think anybody wants to pay full price anymore. Times are getting harder. Hopefully they'll get better. But at least I got to make the first video in my new shop. So let me know what y'all think. And we'll be building this here as soon as I can find me another frame that I want. Then I'll modify it. Like I said, the center part of it's going to be, and I'm going to use some of this stuff to kind of weld it in so it kind of protects the batteries and the controllers, because you start getting 90 or 100 of these things in there, they're dangerous. So I just kind of wanted to make it a little safer. I don't know why I saved that. I don't want that. And that's it, guys. Please hit like and subscribe if you like what you see, and hang in there with me. Live for the home audience.